and hi. My name is Noalia Mansyara binti Masrin. I am your host for topic 4. So, you can present yourself.
Okay, my name is Adalia Sofia. You can call me Sofia.
Okay, my name is Nur Zulaika Amirah binti Zulkifli and you can call me Amirah.
Okay, my name is Siti Zulaika binti Muhammad Zulkifli. You can call me Zulaika. Okay, as we know, nature is an important need for many individuals keeping us emotionally, physically, and healthy. Uh, in your opinion, Amira, what the reason for preserving the nature around us?
Okay, so in my opinion, I think the reason to preserve the nature is it is because to maintain biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of all living organisms, including plants, animals, and microorganisms existing in our ecosystem. We need to maintain it because every species plays a role in the ecosystem. Losing even one species can disrupt their food chain, leading to ecological imbalance and loss of natural resources. And this responsibility fall on everyone such as government, environmental organizations and individual citizens. And this applies to all natural habitats such as tropical rainforests, oceans, and even local urban parks. And it must be done immediately and continuously before more endangered species face permanent extinction. And we can main biodiversity by enforcing strict laws against illegal logging and poaching, establishing protected wildlife reserve and planting more trees to restore destroyed habitats. And I think that's all from me and that's my point of view.
Okay, I am agree with you. And how about you, Zuleika? Do you agree? Thanks, Alia. I had loved to share my opinion on this. Of course, Amirah made a good point about protecting plants and animals by maintaining biodiversity. But the way I see it, for me, if we just focus on keeping our water clean and our forest healthy, the plants and animals, of course, will naturally be okay anyway. But conserving the resource fix everything else. For me, I really think the best reason to protect nature is to conserve our natural resource. Guys, if you think about it, we literally need this resource just to survive every single day. We need clean water to drink, trees to give us air, and good soil to grow our food. Without these basics, our lives would be a complete mess. So, protecting nature is basically just looking out for ourselves, guys. Plus, a lot of these things are running out. Things like oil and coal take forever to form. If we keep wasting them, they are going to disappear and we are going to leave a hot mess for the next generation. So, what we need to do is we really need to start saving them now. I would like to say that the coolest part in this is that anyone can help. Everybody can do it because that is just simple things like turning off the tap, switching off lights when you leave a room, and recycling. Also makes a hug difference if we all do it together. Let's see. It's also about jobs and money. Farmers need good soil, fishermen need clean fish, and tourists love beautiful place. So, conserving our natural resource doesn't just help the planet; it also helps people earn a living and live a better life. Uh, for me, conserve natural resource is the most important things because it helps us, it helps the animal, and it protects the future. If we take care of our resource today, everything else will just fall into place. So I think that's all from me. Yeah, I'm agree with you. So my point is to reduce stress because uh
because we should preserve nature, which is reduce stress. Nowadays, many people experience stress due to academic pressure, work responsibility, and our busy lifestyles. This can affect our mental and emotional well-being. Spending in spending time in nature is one of the best way to relieve stress. Research has shown that being surrounded by greenery can lower our stress hormone, improve our mood, and help us feel calmer and more relaxed. This is especially beneficial to students, office worker, and anyone who feel overwhelmed by daily responsibilities. We can visit places like park, beaches, botanical garden, or hiking trails whenever we need a break time from our routine. There, there are many simple activities we can do, such as jogging in the park, hiking, having a picnic, or simply sitting under a tree while enjoying the fresh air. This activity help us recharge our minds and reduce mental figure. In conclusion, preserving nature is important because it provides us with a peaceful environment that support our mental health. By protecting nature and also protecting our own well-being. That is my view. And how about you guys' view?
I think I agree with Alia's point because that reduced stress can be one of reason why we must preserve the nature. It is because the weekend after a long week of work or studies or during free time whenever a mental break is needed. We can do the activities such as jogging in the park, hiking, or simply sitting quietly under a tree away from digital screens. And I think it's a valid reason for Alia's point. So what's about Sophia points?
Okay, I agree with all of your points, but in my opinion, one of the reasons for preserving the nature around us is to connect with nature. Why? Connecting with nature is very important because it helps us live a happier and healthier life. Nowadays, as we know, many people, including us, spend most of their time indoors. We use our phones, computers, and other devices almost every day. Because of this, many people feel tired, stressed, and sometimes they feel lonely. When we spend time in nature, we can feel more relaxed. For example, we can go to a park, walk in the forest, and or sit near a lake or enjoy the fresh air. Listening to the sound of birds and looking at green trees can make us feel more calm. It also helps us reduce stress and improve our mood. Besides that, connecting with nature is also good for our physical health. We can do outdoor activities such as walking, jogging, cycling, or hiking. These activities help us to stay active and also healthy. At the same time, we can enjoy the beauty of nature instead of just staying inside our house all day. So that's all from my point of view.
Sorry, can I say something about Adalia's point? For me, I don't really agree with Adalia's point about connecting with nature to preserve our nature. Because honestly, if we don't save our resource first, we won't even have a clean river or green forest left to go out and enjoy. So for me, we have to save them now so that future generations actually actually have a beautiful word to connect with. So, does anyone have something to add?
I think I don't agree with Adela's point too, because I think the another reason to preserve nature is it is to adapt a sustainable lifestyle. So a sustainable lifestyle means making conscious conscious choice to live in a way that minimize our carbon footprint and reduce the depletion of Earth's natural resources. Why? Because modern human habits are producing excessive waste and pollution. Adopting a sustainable lifestyle ensure that future generation will still have access to clean water, fertile land, and stable climate. Okay, so do you think who responsibility for this adapt a sustainable lifestyle? So for this point, every individual such as students, families, and workers. So it starts at home, in schools, and at workplace through daily habits. Okay, so do you think when this adapt lifestyle can be used? So it is every single day during our daily routines and whenever we make purchasing decisions. Okay, so we can achieve this by practicing the 3R. That's reuse, reduce, and recycle. So we can minimizing single-use plastic and considering to choose eco-friendly products and conserving electricity and water. I think that's my point of view uh for my point lah. My
Okay, I agree with Amira view. So we can also practice while using a by 3R. So our nature is clean and can reduce our stress too. So what you guys think? The most important reason to presenting our nature.
I still think
For me,
okay, you talk first.
I think we need to agree with others' point about connecting with nature to preserve our
No
nature
podcast.
because when people spend more time in nature, they can appreciate its beauty and understand the importance of protecting it. For example, visiting parks, forests, or beaches can make us feel more relaxed and encourage us to care for the environment. I think when people have a strong connection with nature, they are more likely to protect it and preserve it for future generations. So, what do you guys think?
Yes, I agree with you. Because like I said before, connect with nature is very important to all of our ages, for children, adult, and yeah, a lot more. And I also want to add that when we connect with nature, it creates good habits from a young age. Okay, why? Because children who grow up spending time in nature usually learn to respect the environment. They are more likely to avoid littering, save water, recycle and plant trees. These good habits can continue until they become adults. So that's what I think.
Okay, so I agree with Adalia's point because when we connect with nature, it can improve our quality life. So nature give us fresh air, beautiful views, and peaceful places to relax. Spending time outdoors help us feel happier and more energetic. A good quality of life is just as important as protecting natural resources. I think that's all from my point of view. What about you, Zulaika?
I agree with both of you. I have same point of view with Amira about connecting with nature help us to preserve the nature because like I said before this, when people spend more time in nature, they learn to appreciate its beauty and understand why it is important to protect it. So Alia, do you have same point or opinion like us?
Yeah, I same opinion with you guys. Because when people have a strong connection with nature, they are more likely to join environmental activities such as beach cleaning up, cleans up, tree planting program, and recycling campaigns. They also become more aware of the importance of protecting forests, river, and wildlife. In addition, spending time in nature helps people appreciate its beautiful and understand why it should be preserved. In other words, connecting with nature inspire people to take real action to protect uh, environment, not just talk about it. This will create a more responsible society and help ensure that future generation can continue to enjoy and clean and healthy environment. So, uh, so that is my view. And how about you guys?
Okay, so I think I agree with your point of view because when we connect with nature, we can encourage people to take action lah. Okay, so can we do a conclusion for this topic?
Okay. In conclusion, that we all agree, connect with nature is a most important reason because it help people care more about the environment. It create a good habit from a young age. It's improve our quality of life, and lastly, it encourage people to take action. So that's all from us, and that's all. Bye bye.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alia, for
Thank you.
inviting us to your podcast.
We are having so much fun.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.